what's up? Just got a fresh box here from Nike. Figured I'd show you guys. Honestly wasn't sure about this pair until I got them in hand and kind of looked it over. I am a big fan actually, and now that the price kind of, I don't know, seemed to have gone down. I don't know. I was gonna sell them right away, but now I might keep them. I always go down a half size in my Jordan's past ones. Just kind of my experience that there's a little bit of extra room there, so I fit comfortably in a size 9 and a lot of in the 5s and 3s. I haven't really owned anything else other than that. I would own 6s. I really that's all I really mess with. So enough waffling around here. Yeah, let's check out the shoe. Great. I like it a lot. I like really squished the tongue in there. Really squished it in there. I thought they used to put that like cardboard insert in there. I don't know, but nice to see the 23 on the heel. Real nice. Yeah, that's a cool transition there, kind of having that teal Jumpman. I think it just goes really well. The purple tongue is, you know, kind of like a hit of color just somewhere on it. Yeah, I think it's a great looking shoe. I don't know. You guys think this is one that will go up in value? You guys think this is one that'll just kind of stay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. There you go. If you guys want to see like anything else in particular, let me know. Pretty sick. Oh. Yeah, I really thought they put those. Oh, there is one down in there. Way down in there, like a Jordan 1 insert. I thought they put those like tall inserts so that the tongue didn't get all like messed up, but I don't know. Yeah, tongues are hella squished in there.